I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the power bank has at least some charge. The 4 LED indicator gives a quick 0-100% sense. Next, remove bulky cases or magnetic mounts because they weaken the MagSafe connection and slow charging. Then align the power bank to the phone center. You'll feel a satisfying click as magnets engage. Once attached, make sure the contact is stable before letting go, because a misaligned pack can reduce current and interrupt charging. Once attached, tap the power button to initiate wireless charging. The LEDs will show active charging and battery level. If you need to charge the bank simultaneously, connect a USB-C cable to the input. This enables pass-through charging, letting you top the pack while it powers the phone. Make sure to observe thermal behavior because simultaneous input and output generates heat. Regulate by avoiding direct sunlight. If you want to check or change modes, hold the button for about 3 seconds to cycle or display remaining capacity. To finish, lift the power bank from the phone center so magnets release cleanly. Then store the device in a cool area around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius to preserve battery health. For long-term storage, charge to roughly 50 to 80% rather than full or empty because that minimizes stress on the lithium cells. If the bank won't charge your phone, reseat the magnets, remove any obstructing case, and verify the pack itself charges via USB-C. This single troubleshooting step resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.